It seems to be a recognition that the economy is slowing, something that most economists around the world have been saying. And I think it's a good thing, because if Chinese policymakers are recognizing the fact that the economy is bound to slow, I think that can actually lead to more reasonable policy and perhaps less of an effort of trying to jack up the economy with extra debt that maybe the economy doesn't need at this time.
The tried and tested method of jacking up the economy with the extra debt.
For the last decade, right?
For the last decade. But they have already introduced some stimulus measures. Do you expect them to announce more next week? And if they do, which sectors specifically are they going to target?
Well, I think this will be a good time for them to be taking sort of a full assessment of any of the policies that they can be using. It seems pretty clear that there still will be some stimulus. I think there probably will be some initiation of ways to stimulate consumer spending. Consumer spending has been very, very weak of late, as you may know.
Yep.
Auto sales are down for the year. Other retail sales have been slow, right? And yet household income is not bad. So if some incentive for consumer spending can work, that would be a way to improve the economy.
Do you think that they're going to succeed at allowing China to transition towards this soft landing rather than a hard landing? It's a discussion that we have time and time again, but the data really is slowing quite a lot this time.
It is slowing. I think, again, the recognition is that China needs to become a little more comfortable with slower growth at the same time of working the economy through the transition that it's going through now from an export-led economy to a little more of a consumer-led, or at least a domestic-led economy. If they can direct investment into industries that support the domestic economy, at the same time supporting export growth where possible, that's a good thing.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now, to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.